Color. Green.
One at the end of the hall just went out. Alrighty. I'm going down.
See one?
One on outside, he's now out.
It's clear.
Don't move. Move her down.
Come on now.
Oh, Jesus.
Sorry, bro.
Whew. Watch it.
Inside.
Hey, reports of a bunch of them inside down the hall. Window!
Oi. Woo. Okay, we don't do that for a reason. There's a reason this plywood's here.
We literally can't go in the other any other way.
Go this way in.
Okay.
Ow. Ugh. Oh shit. There's one in the ramp over there. That was another one. Uh-oh.
Oh shit! Whoa! You didn't get me! The other guy.
Anti-fog.
Alright.
What happened?
Yo, straight down. Straight on top or bottom? Oh, I thought you could get a free sample.
There's no hope.
Yo, push up, push up, push up. Move forward. Don't move to your left. Alright, just jump it.
Woo!
Good. Hell, dog. Jesus. They're pushed up all the way at that midpoint. I can't get any further where I keep going.
Yeah, I can hear them. They're shooting this.
Can I shoot through here?
Yeah.
Yeah. As long as you can see through it.
You can see through it. You can shoot through it.
I'm just gonna burn my fucking ears.
Bro! Why?
He's struck a shot in the back of him.
That's the fun part of the muzzle flash. Everyone ducks. Oh, fuck. This one at that first alcove when you go through the doorway. So if you guys can hold them, I'm gonna go for them.
Whenever you're ready.
Oh, fuck.
Who's the mayor of Yappersville? Yappersville crazy.
Careful!
Oh, yeah. I'm just gonna take 5 here. It's not worth running back.
Did I get you or no?
Nope.
Oh,
He did.
I got like 7 kids right here.
Yeah, no, like, no, the guy that came into my alcove got me in the back.
Yeah. Good. Your team sucks. Way too many orange.
Oh, you would have loved seeing what you missed.
What did I miss?
Me going full speed and killing someone on impact, pretty much.
I
Ugh.
want to see that. A lot louder. I can never hear you guys. Oh, we could go back to songs now.
Oh! Ow.
Yep.
Yeah, and they crossed. They're on the other side. kill I missed.
You gotta push it up. You gotta push it up.
It was right there. I kept keeping it. I tried to like get off.
Oh, damn. Damn it. Oh.
Yo, can I bring him up?
Sorry.
Oh. Ow. Cool.
Hi.
I thought there was only one of you down there.
Yeah, so try your angle from the right.
Yeah. I gotta reload.
Smells so bad.
Yeah.
Hey, can you get my refill?
Yeah, you got it right. You're coming right to here.
Coming.
Watch it. He's right in front of us too.
I'm keeping him surprised.
Sorry, man. That was like not that great on me, but thank you.
If I had a grenade right now, dude, you'd be finished. Ha ha! Oh, fuck. Oh. Damn it. I'm like, yeah, you guys went right past with the riot shield. Because when you guys both came through that doorway, I was staring at the riot shield on the other side of the wall. I don't know. I swear I heard it hit, but never saw anything go off.